Welcome to your journey of growing tomatoes at home. Imagine having a small garden in your backyard or balcony where you can harvest fresh, juicy tomatoes. Today, we'll guide you step by step, from preparing seeds to harvesting, ensuring your tomato plants grow strong and healthy. And with your harvest, you can create delicious treats like this refreshing glass of tomato juice. Growing tomatoes is not just fun, it also provides a source of fresh, safe food for your family. First, choose ripe, naturally grown tomatoes without any signs of disease. You can use tomatoes from the market or high-quality seeds from trusted suppliers. After extracting the seeds, rinse them clean and dry them to remove the natural coating. This helps improve germination. Next, plant the seeds in small pots with loose, nutrient-rich soil. Place them in a sunny spot and water them regularly. In about 5 to 7 days, you'll see the first sprouts. After 2 weeks, the seedlings will grow stronger and healthier. At this stage, they're ready to be transplanted into a larger bed. To ensure your tomato plants grow well, prepare a sturdy planting bed. Use recycled wood or eco-friendly materials. Line the bottom with foam or pebbles for proper drainage. Add loose, nutrient-rich soil to the bed. Moisten and level it to get ready for planting. Use plastic bottles as mini compost bins by adding kitchen waste like vegetable scraps or banana peels. This provides natural nutrients for the plants. When transplanting the seedlings, make sure to leave 12 to 20 inches, 30 to 50 centimeters, between each plant for ample growth space. Gently cover the roots with soil and water immediately after planting. As the plants grow, add sticks or stakes to support them and prevent them from bending or breaking. After 4 to 6 weeks, your tomato plants will start blooming and forming small green fruits. This is a crucial stage. Ensure regular watering and add organic compost weekly to keep the plants healthy. Clear any weeds around the base of the plants to prevent competition for nutrients. Add more compost to enrich the soil and support growth. After 10 to 12 weeks, your tomatoes will ripen and turn a vibrant red. Harvest them at the right time to enjoy their best flavor and freshness. And here's the reward, a refreshing glass of tomato juice made from your homegrown produce. Isn't it amazing? Start your tomato growing journey today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share to spread the joy of gardening.